Do you have home repair projects but don't know how to fix them or where to start? No problem. Garner & Sons Innovations is your solution to your repair problem. Garner & Sons Innovations has a wide array of solutions to choose from, with over 30 years of experience servicing coastal Georgia and beyond. Areas of service include AC and heat repair and installation, tree and lawn care, general remodeling, and much, much more. Call Garner & Sons Innovations today at 912-571-1103 and let us treat you better than family.